Hello everyone, welcome to Help My Biz. At Help My Biz, we provide simple solution to your business complications to help your business grow. And today we will discuss about process of conversion of a private limited company into LLP. A company involves a lot of compliances and it becomes a big task for the management to handle it. So various companies are converting themselves into LLP as it involves lesser compliances and cost. So let's discuss about the process of conversion of private company into LLP. First of all, we need to call for board meeting and pass board resolution for the conversion of company into LLP. Take the written consent of all the shareholders for conversion. Then we have to file application for name availability in web-based form Run LLP with the ROC. You need to attach the board resolution and proposed object clause with the name availability application. Once the name is approved, execute all necessary documents like consent, subscriber sheet, etc. and file Form Phillip and Form 18 with the ROC. There are some attachments to be filed with Form Phillip and Form 18. Attachments of Form Phillip are subscriber sheet, consent of designated partner, proof of address of registered office of LLP, that is sale deed or lease deed or rent agreement, NOC of owner of registered office if taken on rent or lease, detail of LLP in which partner or designated partner is a director or a partner. Attachments of Form 18 are statement of shareholders. It is the document given by each shareholders giving their consent and statement. Statement of assets and liabilities of the company, duly certified as true and correct by the auditor. List of all the secured creditors, if any, along with their consent to the conversion, and the copy of acknowledgement of latest filed income tax return. In addition to these, CRC, Central Registration Center, may ask for additional documents like certificate from auditors that company is not carrying NBFC activities, a self-declaration from shareholders that company does not have any secured creditors on the date of application of conversion. Once conversion is approved by the ROC, it execute LLP agreement and file the same with ROC in e-form LLP 3 within 30 days of approval of conversion by ROC. These are the list of documents required for LLP conversion. It includes identity proof, residence proof of designated partners, email ID and mobile number of designated partners, partners of LLP with DIN valid or not, detail of nominee of in case partner is body corporate, list of shareholders as on date along with father's name, address, total monetary value of contribution by partners in LLP, proof of address of registered office of LLP, subscriber sheet, copy of board of resolution of the existing company or consent of existing LLP as a proof of no objection certificate, statement of shareholders, etc. Thanks. For any questions or queries, please contact us at www.helpmybiz.in and comment below. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting latest videos.